This is just going to be a quick review on the Mary Tylor Naturals Lemon Essential Oil. And this is the box it comes in. I was very impressed with this just because I've reviewed and purchased on my own several essential oils over the years, and this is the first time I've ever gotten it in a box. From various brands I've used for different types of oils. And this is the first time I've ever received a essential oil in a box, so I was very impressed with that. Not only does it look nice, it's nice because if you ordered anything else on Amazon, let's say you order maybe clothing or anything else, and you're ordering oils, you don't have the potential of the oil leaking onto the clothing, or if you've ordered like some sort of dried cereal or dried food, you're not going to worry about it leaking onto anything. So I was very impressed with that. As you see, I have already taken the dropper that was actually right here. I actually took off this lid and went ahead and put the dropper on there. So it comes with the dropper down here, and then it has the lid already on it. But here you can see is what it looks like after you put it all together. And I've been using this for a variety of uses. This evening I actually used it to remove Crayon from the wall. We do have 4 children now. We just had our last baby 2 weeks ago, a little girl, but we have our second to the youngest is our 3-year-old son, and he's never marked on the walls before, but for some reason about a month ago he decided to mark on the wall in our large walk-in closet. So he got crayon all over the side of the wall. And last month I was very pregnant and just was not having much energy to do a lot of scrubbing, and so I knew that I was going to have to do something about that, but I just didn't have the energy to try several different options. And I did use lemon oil on the wall with our paper towels, and I knew that lemon oil worked because I've used it before. I just didn't have any lemon oil in my possession, and this arrived just a few weeks after. Sorry, we have a baby crying in here. This arrived just a few weeks after he did it, probably about 2 weeks after, but I was still very, very pregnant and just not feeling up to doing much. So I just finally got around to using the lemon essential oil, and it works amazing. You don't have to mix it with anything. You don't even have to do a lot of scrubbing. You just kind of put it on your paper towel and just gently move it across the surface. You don't even have to scrub it. The reason why I used a paper towel is because since it is an oil, it could stain one of your towels or one of your rags if you're worried about that. But I love this. I love the smell of it. It also is great for just using it to wipe our tables. We kind of mix sometimes vinegar, a little bit of water, and we can put some lemon in there to kind of make the vinegar not smell as strong. And we use this to wash our surfaces. So this is a great product, and I highly recommend it. It was sent to me for review. I really love the packaging, how it came like this, and it smells great. The size is wonderful. I love that it's in glass, and it's in a amber bottle, which keeps the light out, which keeps it pure and doesn't put any light in there that could change the product. I have used this as kind of a room spray refresher. You can mix different essential oils together and put it in a spray bottle. I usually use one of these type of bottles with a little spray top and just spray it in the air, and it kind of gives a nice scent. I love this product, and I highly recommend it, and I was sent this for review. However, I have no problem with recommending it. You can go to marytylor.com, and this is USDA certified, and it's organic lemon essential oil, and I suggest that you check it out. It's on Amazon. Thanks, guys.